welcome to the packing vlog for our Europe trip. I'm packing a little later than usual because of my burnout. But I'm so excited and I've been looking forward to this trip for so long. We're both just so excited to get away and have a nice trip abroad and also see a lot of friends along the way. Enjoy the Europe series! We are about to leave in a few days for Europe, so I'm so excited because the last couple of months I haven't had a lot of things to film because we've just been stuck in our old place, and I'll talk more about that when we get back. But now I get to do two very inspiring, fun things back to back in film, which is so exciting for me with the move and with traveling and going to some really cool places. So I'm just so excited, and I really hope you enjoy the start of the travel series, which in this video is mostly packing. Good morning and welcome to the vlog. This is our packing video. I am so excited. We desperately need this. I haven't been back there since 2019. Tommy has never been to Europe before, and I am just so excited because we've been planning this trip for a bit. I have a friend who's getting married in Croatia, and then on the way we're gonna stop in London and see some of my high school friends that I haven't seen in like 8 years. 10 years? 10 years. 10 years! Oh my God. Yeah, 10 years since I've seen these people. And I'm just so excited to go back to London because back before I started vlogging in college, I went to London for like a week for the School of Business at my university. I've always wanted to go back. I always wanted to go anyway. And now I get to go back with Tommy, with friends who are living there, and on the front and back end of a wedding. So that's gonna be very excited. Going back to Croatia is gonna be super fun too. So I will be filming that whole process. And, but yeah, this is the exciting, like, we're packing for it. So I'm just gonna like be posting, well, probably into June. Yeah, this is packing day, this is prepping day. We leave in 3 days. I never wait this long to pack, but part of the reason I have is because we just finished a move. So like, it's been kind of bonkers trying to like, imagine it, but it's really great that we have like this vacation like a few days after we finish our move, and we've been settled in here for a bit, and now we can just go enjoy like a nice 10-day trip. We were originally gonna go for longer, but we bought a condo. Being here now and like moving took a lot of like expenses out because we just couldn't stay in Europe for like 2 weeks or more. Financially, we did the responsible thing, but we still got to take our trip. I've emptied all of our suitcases. I have started charging noise canceling headphones. I've located my AirPods and my AirTag, and I unfortunately bought this perfect card for my friend who's getting married, and it got lost in the move. What is likely going to happen is I will find it when I get back, and I will just have to mail it to her. Sometimes you just see cards and you're just kind of like, oh my God, this was made for this person. Ah! And that's a reminder to look for the card that I can't find. My noise canceling headphones are charging up here, and I really just need to get some of these suitcases off the balcony and fold the laundry. I've had a rough couple of days, so I'm just glad that like I woke up this morning and yesterday even feeling like quite refreshed and just ready to take on the vacation, right? So I'm packing for 2 different climates in 2 different weather areas. 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit in London, and then I have up to 70. It's a few hours later, and this also seems to be the best angle that we have so far without the lights like streaming in a weird way over the camera lens. Mini haul of the items that I picked up after a business lunch, and these are all packing related things except for the chips. I still need to buy packing and like food snacks for our flight because it's the longest flight we will be on, 9.5 hours, almost 10 hours. So these just getting us in the thought process. Because I was in a different area, I decided to go to this Rexall and pick up just like essentials for travel. First thing I got was the eye masks that we accidentally threw away during the move, or on purpose threw away during the move. So 2 more of these for the plane. If we can fall asleep, we will be riding out that slumber because jet lag. If we feel a little bit rough the first day or two, we can have those. I always like to be prepared with like a fully stocked pharmacy of like painkillers or like stomach meds or like general things like that, because I don't like being uncomfortable. So I like to be able to handle that in the moment. A toothbrush holder, also threw ours away. Sunscreen for my face because Croatia is gonna be sunny-ish. I don't think it's gonna be like crazy hot, but like seems necessary. Tommy texted me and asked for a nail file, so I picked that up. A shampoo bottle, mini shampoo for the same one we have, because I don't want to put a bunch of our stuff into like a reusable bottle that I just don't use all of, and then just, yeah, it's not it. And then this little neck pillow, big neck pillow, because I feel like this flight is long enough that we're gonna wish we had one, and if we don't, we're just gonna be bummed out. So yeah, it's pretty hard because it's a memory foam one, so it also just feels like a rock. Like it's like, it feels hard, and like when I tried to like compress it, it doesn't compress very easily. So I'm thinking I need to like maybe break it in or something, but yeah, it's not working. It's not soft. All right, well, I will carry on with my packing then, because now I have more things that I need. I've been brainstorming more of the clothes. Also, I'm wearing this super cute blazer that like honestly has probably very little place where we're headed, but like I love this blazer, and when I wear it I'm like, I want to wear this more. So I feel like I should bring this to London and take like some pics wearing it, so maybe that'll happen. But yeah, it's been a pretty nice and chill day, and yeah, just got some more packing to do. Disney has a separate category for stuff that's typically on Hulu. So that whole section is not available when I'm in the US, so I'm downloading a lot of those like cartoony kinds of different shows, as well as like any comfort shows I want to watch for like the plane or just in general while I'm there. There's a lot of like things that I like to have pre-downloaded in case I get bored or need something that I'm familiar with to like rewatch. Like, I am obsessed with this place. Like I am so happy to be here. I love it. My carry-on will start first. It's easier to work backwards from what needs to be like essentially in this in case the checked bag gets lost. I am officially done with work until the end of April. That is amazing. I am so excited. As you saw, packing was well underway. It's actually basically fully done. So that's full, that's half full with my stuff. Tommy's stuff is going in there soon. And my airplane stuff and the change of clothes I will bring for the plane are all sitting here. I'm gonna put this away somewhere that I don't have to deal with it or think about it. I'm going to delete the Slack app on my phone because the company isn't even gonna be using that anymore when I get back. I'm also going to sign out of my email to the point where I can't accidentally turn it back on. I'm just gonna like have to re-sign it on everything. Like I am out. Okay, I have my hockey game on behind and I am going to take a little bit of a nap, but I went to Sephora earlier, as you saw when I was like out and about, and I picked up a package of pharmacy items because I don't have the travel size of these, and I really loved the idea of not having to pay full price for different things. I did re-pick up one of these because I lost it in the move and I can't figure out where it went. But I use a lot of these pharmacy products, mostly because I really wanted a small version that I could travel with for the makeup remover. So the Clearly Clean one, that was the main one that was on my radar. And they're itty bitty, comes with 4, as you can see from this. Nice packaging, by the way. I don't actually have this lip smoothie. I have the berry one, so great. I didn't just get a new version of something that I already have, but also can't find after the move. And then we have the eye cream that I just bought more of, but I will be taking this one instead because this is smaller and better, and I can bring on the plane because this flight is going to be so long. I really want to make sure that I have the lotion and the hydration and the lip care, all of it. So these are coming with us, as well as this tiny Clearly Clean, the melt away balm. That's really great. I only have the full size because I finished the medium size. So this, I think they just do these packagings like seasonally, but this is like exactly my favorite product because this is what introduced me to pharmacy. And then the Honey Halo, these two are large and these two are smaller, like by comparison. So just like as a reference point. The only product I'm unfamiliar with is this one, the Pharmacy Honey Halo, another moisturizer. So I feel like I might as well just bring all 4 of these onto the plane and just like do it. But yeah, anyway, that was the first thing. The second thing, very important for the lotion, I finished the Laneige Water Bank. They rebranded this, so I didn't recognize it. I finished the smaller version of it, and I still have the little container because I literally just finished the smaller version of it. So I didn't recognize it, but I did know they rebranded. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep this one here, and then I'm just gonna scoop some of it out and put it in the other container because I want to preserve this packaging. But I'm very familiar with this moisturizer. It's a part of my regular skincare routine already. These are my items for my haul. My game crashed, hold on. Okay, I fixed it. I'm almost unpacking because I wanted to do a little bit of a reshuffle for some of the outfits because the weather changed a bit. I might need to bring some rain boots and there's just like a couple of things in flux, but I booked the last hotel. We're staying at like 5 different hotels on this entire trip, which is super fun and super great. But actually I think it's only 4. You know, lots of logistics planning, lots of like things that I want to see and like which days to go if we're at different hotels. So there's like a lot of planning I enjoy, but I also want to kind of turn my brain off on vacation now and then just like go see things now that I've done the planning in advance. And I only got around to doing that like yesterday and today because I was just so tired from work, so exhausted and so ready to like be done with it that I just didn't even get a chance to like fully plan. But that's okay. I think that that's like, I'm still gonna really enjoy it.